Have you ever faced an iPhone, the battery percentage is jumping and random reboots too? Here you can see after iPhone is open for the first time shows 1% of battery. After some time the battery percentage is increasing. If the iPhone is random reboots, then the iOS system captures the log data. To see that log, go to Setting, scroll down, tap on Privacy, scroll down, go to Analytics, tap on Analytics Data, search for a Panic Full on list. Open the latest one, start with Panic Full. On the complete log, search Panic String. Here you can see the Panic String debugger message WDT timeout. This indicates that the problem was from the battery side. Must be battery damage or circuit related issues. If you face this problem, then once check the battery health shows or not. In most of these cases, battery health is blank. I already changed the battery, but the problem was still same. Here you can see iPhone reboots automatically. Let's have a look at PCB status. No prior repair sign. This fault was from BSS side, so we direct go to degrees. Remove degrees. Temperature must be clean all pads carefully, must be flat and shine. This case was from the side of I2C failure, so let's fix it. I made 3 jumper here. One from Happy to Tigris SWI. Another on is BCC main. And the next pin is ground. Here you can see the real diagram for that solution. You have to use 2.2K resistor on the series. Now I put back the grease by reballing. Here you can see the battery shows the real percentage while the phone was open. Now check battery health is also shown. Means the problem was fixed. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We will respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.